Welcome to this modern, stylish home by an award-winning Street of Dreams builder with gorgeous Mount Hood views. On a quiet cul-de-sac and backing to a green space, you'll enjoy a serene, tranquil setting. Heading inside, you'll discover a masterfully crafted home exuding style and sophistication with high ceilings, a gas fireplace, built-ins, and large windows for lots of natural light. Head out onto the deck and take in the Mount Hood and territorial views. Hardwood floors lead to the spacious gourmet kitchen with quartz counters, a large island with eating bar, stainless steel appliances, and a gas cooktop. You'll find a main-level master suite with high ceilings, a walk-in closet, and views of its own. Unwind and relax in the master bath with a dual-sink vanity, a large shower, and a soaking tub. The main level also has an office near the entryway, plus a powder room. On the lower level, a large family room is ready for entertaining, complete with a wet bar. This more than 3,000 square foot home also has 3 more large bedrooms with high ceilings. From the family room, head out to the lower level deck with territorial views. You'll also enjoy a low-maintenance yard with a sprinkler system. 6 security cameras are installed for peace of mind. Other features include a gas furnace, air conditioning, and a tankless water heater. Living here, you're close to nature parks, shopping, and restaurants. An exceptional home in a serene, peaceful setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.